Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a credit card and a debit card, or how to choose the right checking account for you? In this video, we will explore the world of bank accounts and cards together to help you make informed and intelligent choices in managing your money. Let's start with checking accounts. A checking account is an essential tool for managing your daily finances. It allows you to receive your salary, pay bills, make purchases, and even save money. But not all checking accounts are the same. Some offer free services, others include monthly fees or commissions for certain operations. When choosing a checking account, it is important to consider your financial habits. For example, do you need to withdraw money often? Do you make a lot of transfers? And above all, always evaluate the fees and hidden costs. The right checking account can save you a lot of money in the long run. Debit cards are closely linked to checking accounts. When you use a debit card, you are using the funds you have directly in your account. It's like paying with cash, but electronically. You can't spend more than you have, so it helps you stay on top of your spending. Plus, debit cards offer the convenience of being accepted everywhere and often include contactless payment capabilities. Credit cards, on the other hand, work differently. When you use a credit card, you are essentially borrowing money from the bank or financial institution that issued the card. Each month, you will receive a statement showing all the transactions you have made, and you will be required to pay back the amount you spent. You can choose to pay off the entire balance or just a portion, but be careful about interest. If you don't pay it all off, the remaining debt will accumulate interest, which can become very expensive. Credit cards can be useful for making large purchases or building a good credit history, but it is important to use them responsibly. So, which card should you choose? If you prefer to spend only what you already have, a debit card is the safest option. If you want the flexibility to make purchases even when you don't have immediate funds, a credit card can give you more freedom, but you have to be careful not to fall into the debt trap. Additionally, some credit cards offer perks like cash back, loyalty points, or travel insurance, which can be interesting if you know how to make the most of them. And what about prepaid cards? Prepaid cards work a bit like debit cards, but without being linked to a checking account. You top them up with a certain amount of money, and then you can use them until the credit runs out. They are very useful for those who want to have more control over their spending, or for those who do not want to use a traditional checking account. They are also a popular choice among parents who want to give their children a card without the risk of them spending too much. The right choice depends on your personal needs. If you need convenience and control over your spending, a debit card is perfect. If you're looking for flexibility and extra benefits, a credit card may be a better fit, but it needs to be managed carefully. Finally, prepaid cards can offer a balance between security and flexibility for those who prefer a more limited approach. Remember that managing your checking account and cards is essential to maintaining control over your finances. It is also important to regularly monitor your transactions, pay attention to costs and fees, and above all, avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. Which cards do you usually use? Have you ever had difficulty choosing between debit and credit? Tell us about your experience in the comments. We are here to listen to you and give you some more advice.